Hey guys, welcome to the first video of We Do Stuff. We actually picked up our first project, and here it is. It's a 1974 Datsun 260z. We picked it up from my uncle out in the middle of nowhere. Shout out to my Uncle Johnny and Aunt Diane. So the first thing we did was load it up on the dolly, as you can see here, and then we hit the road. This thing's nasty. As you can tell, it's in pretty rough shape. So we decided that the best course of action would be to remove the seats and other interior pieces, and began cleaning out the inside. So far we've pulled out all the crap, I guess you could say. Side panels, the pleather that was in here, the seats, which bolts did not want to happen. Floor that's got it attached up, take out the center console. I'm trying to get all the rat turds out of here. Wave to the camera, mate. So, got a lot more work to do, but cleanup's coming along great. Then we decided that the next sensible thing to do with 10 years of dirt and rust was to power wash it all out. After one successful day, power washing and cleaning up a little bit of junk that came out of the car. Just a little bit. It's good to go. It's good. We removed everything. Oh, there's wasp. Nope. Nope. Go away. Go away. We cleaned it out and removed everything but the steering wheel and the dash. Center console, the seats, all the nasty moldy carpet. And of course we figured out we had a little nice surprise of a couple of giant holes in the floor pan. So, gotta deal with that. Gotta deal with that. Gotta deal with that. We then continued to power wash the inside. Went and had to go get some Goo Gone, which we'll show you in a later episode. And hopefully that gets all the adhesive that was holding on to the nice pleather to the interior of the car out. Hey guys, if you liked the video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. That would be really cool. It's a brand new channel, and we look forward to having a whole bunch more videos of the 260Z and anything else cool we can come up with. I don't know what else to say about that.
That's good.
It's supposed to be a cool outro, right? Yeah. This is the cool outro. Insert cool outro, trademarked.